Hello everyone, it's AGiraffe and I will view Siri on the iPhone 4. Yes, let's begin. First, you're gonna go to Cydia. Yes, the first thing you're gonna do is add the search I had. Yes, you go to sources. Yes, here. There. I have the source in the description down below. Yes, you're gonna go to this, down, and download this. Yes, after that, you must respring your device, and after that, you go to settings, general, Siri, enable it, reboot your device, and go back. After that, you must go to Cydia again, and now you add a new search. I have it also in the description below, down below. Okay, yes, and there the next search. Go to this, download control panel. After that, you must respring your device, and you do that. Go to settings, down here. Down here to H-Siri, and put the Siri proxy. I had it in the description below, and you do that. You go to Word Jelly, the thing from control panel, and install that. Now you do that. I had installed that, so I cancel. Yes, now you're gonna do this and you reboot your device again and you have Siri. Yes, let's try. Hello, Siri.
How should I know how Siri does?
Okay, weird. What time is it?
It is 8:42 a.m.
Super nice. Remind me tomorrow at 8 p.m.
Want to set a reminder? Here is an example. Remind me to do my...
Remind me to play computer tomorrow at 8 p.m.
There was an error during the processing of your request.
Okay, it works, but you must work really good English. I come from Denmark, so yes, let's try that trick Siri on the iPhone 4. Have a nice day. See you later. And make good subscribe.